What's new at Peernet? For all our TIFF, PDF, or raster image printer users, we now have how-to videos available to get you started converting any document you can open and print to TIFF, PDF, or JPEG. You can watch all of our TIFF image printer, PDF image printer, and raster image printer tutorials easily via our Peernet YouTube channel. We've also included these new how-to videos under the How-To Videos tab under each product on our website, where these videos can be found under the corresponding topics, with a text and screenshot version below. If you've only ever used our image printers for a single type of conversion, these videos can show you the many other types of conversions that you can do. Happy watching!